Fourth lesson, work, energy and power. Okay, so in this lesson we will study about what is the definition of work. Okay, next, work done by a constant and variable force. Okay, and know about energy and its various types of energy. Okay, and law of conservation of energy. Okay, then last is power. So we'll see about what is the definition of power and various types of collision. Okay, so the lesson is very easy, so watch it carefully. Okay, so first we'll say that what is the work. Okay, so the term work means that is used in a diverse context in daily life. Yeah, so many people are doing work, and also they mention their work other day. Okay, actually what is the work means? Okay, any activity. Okay, so the meaning of work is any activity is done by the force, is done by the force. Okay, is applied, force is applied on a body or object. Clear? So the any activity is done by the force when it is applied on a body. So what will happen if we want to move the object means, so we have to apply the force on the object, then it moves. Okay, so that is meaning of work done. Okay, so after the force acting on the body, it is displaces, which means changing the position from one place to another place. That is the meaning of work. Okay, next, what is energy means? So how can we do the energy work? Clear? So we have some ability to do work. That is the meaning of energy. Ability to do the work. Clear? That is the meaning of energy. Okay. Next, what is power means? So how long we do the work? How long? It's based upon the time. So you can write rate of work. Rate of work is the meaning of power. Rate means with respect to time. Clear? So work, energy and power, this is the definitions. Okay, so first we'll see that what is the work. Its symbol is W. Okay, so considering object is placed on the one position, this is called initial position of the object. Okay, if force is applied on the object, it will move, then placed here. Okay, clear? So if a force is applied on the object, it start to move from one place to another place. That is called displacement. Okay, so how much of distance it can move from this place to the place means what? It's called, we write D. D is called what? Displacement. Okay, now we will write the formula for the work done. W is equal to the force acting on the object, that is F. Put the dot because W is the scalar product. Okay, dot distance started by the object, we write dr with the position vector is r. Okay, so we write F is a vector, dr also vector, but W is a scalar quantity. Clear? So this is the formula for the work done. W is equal to F into dr. Okay, so now we have considered the force of the direction is acting on the object means, see the force acting this direction is called horizontal, this is vertical. So force acting in a horizontal direction means we write F cos theta. The F cos theta is the force acting on the object, then the distance traveled by the object is dr. So that is the work without vector. Okay, so W is equal to F into dr in the vector form, otherwise we write F cos theta into dr. Okay, next, see the concept of the force acting on object. Considering the object, this is the object. Okay, if the force acting on this direction means what? So force along the horizontal direction. Force along the horizontal direction means we are considering as a F cos theta. If the force acting in a vertical direction, so is a vertical direction means we see the what? The force is called F sin theta. Clear? Vertical means sin, horizontal means cos theta. Okay, so that the resultant force acting along this direction. This is called resultant force with the angle of theta to the horizontal direction. So this is the force acting on an object. It is all in two components. One is vertical is F sin theta. For horizontal direction is what? F cos theta. Clear? Okay. Next we see that what are the cases for zero work done? What are the cases for the zero work done? Which means if force or any other thing is happening on the action on the object, okay, then how can we say there is no work done? Okay, they will ask in a 2 mark question, which means W is become 0. It's called zero work done. Okay, first case, if F is equal to 0, which means what? There is no force acting on the object, means then the work done, the formula is what? F into dr. So here F become 0 means 0 to something 0, so there is no work done. If F is 0, W also 0. Okay. Second case, if there is no displacement, so that dr is equal to 0. How it is possible? Considering the thick wall in the room, so where force acting on the wall means the wall does not move, it remains the same position, means there is no displacement, but force is there. Okay, in this condition there is no work done. Here F is there but there is no displacement, means what? dr becomes 0, 0 to something 0, so that W also 0. Okay. Third case, if the theta is equal to 90 degree, theta is what? The angle between that force to the moving object. See here, if theta is 90 means what? This is 0, then 45 90 means it becomes sine things. Okay, clear? So but formula is what? F cos theta. So theta equal to 90 means what? Cos 90 become 0. Cos 90 become 0, so that F cos theta is equal to 0. So then F cos theta becomes 0, so that W also 0. Clear? So there are the three cases. If force is 0, W also 0. If dr equal to 0, W also 0. If theta equal to 90 degree, which means that we are lifting that upwards, vertical, means there is no work done acting on the object. Clear? So next I will show the table for that value of work with the angle theta. Okay, if theta equal to 0 means what? Both F and D are acting in the same direction, so that cos 0 equal to 1, so that the work is positive and maximum. Okay, next the value of theta is lies between 0 to below 90 degree, that is acute angle, so that the cos, okay, the value of this theta equal to what? Same thing, so become positive, is not 0. Clear? Because cos 0 is 1, up to the cos 90 is value is positive value. Okay, then if theta equal to 90 degree, so last time you will see here, that's the right angle, cos 90 equal to 0, there is no work done. Okay, if the theta value is greater than 90, below than 180 means what? See, cos 180 equal to minus 1. Okay, see, cos 0 equal to 1, pi or 180 equal to minus 1, so that the value is become negative of that work done. Clear? Next, the angle equal to 180 degree, which means force acting on the right side direction, dr acting on the left side direction, left side. So both are opposite to each other. In this condition, theta equal to 90 degree. Okay, sorry, theta equal to 180 degree. Then value of cos equal to what? Minus 1. Here also negative but maximum. So based upon the angle, you can tell about that what is the meaning of work with the values is maximum or minimum or positive or negative or other than 0. Clear? Next we see that what is the negative work done. See, he is a goalkeeper in a football game. Okay, he wants to stop that ball while he's approaching towards him. Okay, so force is adding a ball, so that the ball is moving this direction. Okay, but the goalkeeper applies the force against that direction of the ball. Clear? So here the force is applied to opposite direction of the moving object, that is called negative work done. Clear? So the goalkeeper trying to stay the moving ball means is force acting on the against the direction of the ball is coming. Okay, that is meaning of what? Negative work done. Okay, this means force acting in the right direction means the moving of ball acting on the left direction. So both are what? Opposite direction. This is called negative work done. That is the last condition. See, the angle between F and critical what is equal to 180 degree. Clear?